everyone, it's me, Sophie, and today I'm all about how to get a job in Japan. Friends told me not to apply on that website, strangers told me not to apply on that website, and even websites told me not to apply on that website for any kind of job in Japan. But guess what? I still did it. I got a job. Even more companies try to get in contact with me because they all have been so interested in my work experience and to work for them, which is just, mind-blowing and whatnot. But let's get started with today's topic because it should be very short, right? Because it's Friday, right? So let's dive deep into it. Okay, opening Google Explorer. Gonna type in GaijinPot. And we are good to go to check out the website. Cool. That's GaijinPot. I actually really like this design. It's fresh and stylish. There are a few different areas that you can explore, but we're here for finding a job. Right there, all the different types of jobs, such as full-time or part-time, are divided into categories, what I really like. After you decide what kind of job you'd like to look for, you can either go through every single one that is open right now or check out the upper area in the beginning, which can be used to make a more precise search. I used to choose one job and check the offer. On the bottom you can either log into your account or register. I skipped some parts and added my photo, and after that you can set up your skills and you're good to go. Go back to the job offer. Important is to check the Japanese level, visa requirements, working hours, and salary. Of course there are more, but these are the most important ones. It's also good to upload your resume and CV because it's always taking time to look for it on your device. And you don't want to waste any time. GaijinPot is not only a website for getting a job. No, it's also a website where you can look for apartments. They can help you out, or when you need your yearly health check or you need some medical advice, they also can help you with that, and so much more. I guess why friends told me GaijinPot is maybe not the right choice is that a lot of companies actually don't want that you apply through an external website. They want that you find them and they want that you apply through their website. So in case you found a job on GaijinPot and you're not sure whether you would apply through GaijinPot or not because the company would like it or not, check out the job on GaijinPot and then just copy and paste the website URL and apply through the website of the company that you would like to apply for a job. Beware, it could be very tricky to get a job in Japan if you don't have at least N3 level of speaking Japanese, which is kinda the middle range of being a beginner and being fluent. And it could be very tricky if you don't have any degree less than a bachelor's degree. But hold on a second. If you're now very desperate and you don't know whether you would like to continue to watch this video or not, wait, I have the answer. When you are already having some work experience and when you already know that you would like to continue working in that field, look for these kind of jobs, and then you definitely find a company that really only needs someone that speaks English and maybe a second language that is not Japanese, but you really would like to learn Japanese. A lot of companies also offer Japanese lessons before or after the working hours, which is kinda a thumbs up, if you would ask me. In case you hadn't enough, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell, or be gentle. We're gonna see us probably in Japan, so in case you're interested in a little meetup somewhere, anywhere in Tokyo, around Tokyo, write a comment down below, below this video so that we can start to connect. When you're also interested in the supernatural, then you're also more than welcome, because I'm not only doing that from now on, I will be still interested in Japan, that's for sure, and Japan will be always a very important part for me, but there's so much more to explore. The hashtag would be witch goes wild. I'm a witch, if you didn't know. Maybe you are as well, or a wizard, or any other kind of supernatural creature. Who knows? Also send me a message and start connecting in Japan from next week, Wednesday on. Smoochie, smoochie, and bye-bye.